नमस्कार विद्यार्थी मित्रांनो, मी विवेक कुमार आपलं स्वागत करतो आपल्या चॅनल जीके ज्ञानमध्ये. आज आपण प्रेशर मेजरमेंट अँड हायड्रोस्टॅटिक या युनिट मधला न्यूमरिकल्स ऑन मॅनोमीटर हा चॅप्टर आपण बघणार आहोत. लास्ट लेक्चरमध्ये व्हिडिओ लेक्चरमध्ये आपण मॅनोमीटर्स अँड टाइप्स ऑफ मॅनोमीटर्स बघितले होते. टुडे वी विल सी सम न्यूमरिकल्स ऑन बेस्ड ऑन द मॅनोमीटर. सो वी विल स्टार्ट विथ द फर्स्ट न्यूमरिकल. Today the first numerical is given here. Consider a double fluid manometer attached to an air pipe shown in the figure. If the specific gravity of one fluid Hg1 is 13.55 and specific gravity other fluid Hg2 for indicated absolute pressure of air is, you have to find out the specific gravity for fluid 2. This is the fluid 2. You have to find out the specific gravity for fluid 2. Take Rw is given 9.81 kilonewton per meter square. It is specific weight, you know, it is rho into g. Okay, so specific weight for water is given. W means water is given, so it will be rho density of water is 1000 into g is 9.81. So similarly it will be 9.81 kilonewton per meter square. So it is already given. So how will start with the numerical? So we will start with the numerical here. The manometer diagram is given. The manometer diagram is given. You have to mark the first reference point. You have to mark the first reference line or reference plane. So here the continuous mass of fluid, this is the fluid 1. The continuous mass of fluid is given in this tube. So mark the reference planes where the continuous mass of fluid is given. We see in the previous lecture. So this will be marked as a reference plane. Okay. Now how to start? Here one end is open to atmosphere and one end is attached to the pipe where air is passing. Okay. So here start with the open end. When one end is open, always start with open end, because we know the atmospheric pressure value. Open end. So here atmospheric value is given. So we will start with this open atmosphere. So write down P atmosphere. Here I will write down the equation. P atmosphere. You are moving downward from the atmospheric pressure. So whenever we are going downward, we will put the plus sign. We will see in the basics of this manometer. So here the height will be h2. This is h2 is 40 centimeter and h1 is 20 centimeter is given. So we will moving in the downward direction. So we will put the plus symbol. So it will be plus, we know, simple basic density rho 2 into g into h2. Then we are reached at this point, reference point. So from this point you are moving the horizontally. From this point you are moving the horizontally. From this point they are on the same level, so pressure will be same there. So there will be no change in the pressure. So directly move from this point to this point. Okay. We'll do the concept in the previous lecture. So you move this point, pressure will be same. Now from this point you are moving upward 20 centimeter. How much? 20 centimeter. So you are moving upward from the reference line. So pressure will be decreased. So it will be minus. It will be density will be rho into g into h1. Okay. Then you are moving upward. So here the height will not be given. So assume it will be attached to this point only. Okay. So here height is not given. So assume directly equal to P absolute. Okay. P absolute. We know specific gravity is density of fluid upon density of standard fluid water. So Hg1 equal to rho 1 upon rho w. So therefore rho 1 will be Hg1 specific gravity of fluid 1 into rho w, the density of water. Similarly rho 2 will be Hg2 into density of water. So put the values here. P atmosphere plus what is rho 2 is specific gravity into density of water into g into h2 minus here rho 1 will be Hg1 into density of water into G into H1 equal to P absolute. So put the values here directly. P atmosphere is given 100 kilopascal. So put here 100 kilopascal. So it will be 10 to the power 3 pascal plus Hg2 is not given. You have to find out Hg2 as it is. Density of water is 1000. So 1000 into 9.81 into H2. H2 is given 40 centimeter. So it will be 0.4 meter minus Hg1 is given 13.55. 13.55 into rho is 1000. Density of water is 1000 into G 9.81. And what is H? H1 is given 20 centimeter. So it will be 0.2 equal to absolute pressure is given 98.3 kilopascal. So it will be 98.3 into 10 to the power 3. So calculate this equation and find out Hg2. So Hg2 is found as, what is the value for Hg2 is calculated as 6.34. The Hg2 value is calculated as 6.34. So this is the first numerical we have seen here. Now we will move to the next numerical. Now we will move to the next question. Next question says that what is the pressure at point A in an air pipe shown if water manometer, that is density of manometric fluid is water, the density of water is 1000 kg per meter we have to take an, okay, with other end open to the atmosphere is the differential head of 10 centimeter. So H will be given as 10 centimeter. So we'll start. We will mark the first. You have to find out the pressure at A point. We have to find out pressure at A point. So first we will mark the reference plane. We know we will mark the reference plane where the continuous mass of fluid is present. So here CD, from here to here the continuous mass of same fluid is given. So we will take this as a reference plane. This is open to atmosphere, so it will be P atmosphere. So we will start from the open end. Okay. So write down the equation here. We'll start from the open end, so it will be P atmosphere. Then from point D to C, we are moving horizontally, which are on the same level. So there will be no change in the pressure. So we will directly move to the point C. From C to B, you will move in the upward direction from reference plane. So whenever you are moving in the upward direction from the reference plane, take the negative sign. So it will be minus rho of water into G into H. So directly you will move to the point A. So is equal to PA. There is no height is given here. We will directly move to the point A. Okay. So P atmospheric as a gauge pressure we have taken as 0. So therefore PA equal to minus rho W into G into H. So density of water is minus 1000 into G 9.81. Height is given 10 centimeters, so it will convert into meters, so it will be 0.1 meter. So find out PA. PA will be calculated as 981 Newton per meter square, or it is Pascal. So we know minus pressure means vacuum pressure, so 981 Pascal vacuum. Okay. So option is A, 981. Okay. Answer is option A. Got it? Now we will move to the next question. Next question says that the U-tube in a figure below contains two liquid static equilibrium. Water is in the right arm and oil of unknown specific gravity SO is in the left arm. Measurement gives L equal to 13.5 centimeter and Y equal to 1.5 mm. The specific gravity of oil you have to find out. Hg of oil you have to find out. We know Hg of oil is density of oil upon density of water, standard fluid. So how to calculate? Here U-tube is given. First mark the reference plane. We know we mark the reference plane where the continuous mass of same fluid is given. So here the oil is given, continuous mass of same fluid is given here. So mark this as a reference plane. And this point is open to atmosphere, P atmosphere. To start from the open end. Start with the open end. Okay. So here we will start. It will be P atmosphere and you are moving downward. So it will be plus rho of water into G into L. Okay. Because this distance is L. And then from this point you are moving horizontally to this point directly because there is same fluid, that is oil, is present. So there is no change in the pressure because you are moving horizontally. From this point you are moving in the upward direction. So height will be L plus Y. So it will be, you are moving upward, so it will be negative minus rho of oil into G into Y plus L plus Y equal to you are taken as what is atmosphere, P atmosphere once again. Okay, we know atmospheric pressure as a gauge pressure is taken as 0 here, so mark it as 0. So here rho of oil into G into Y plus L equal to rho of water into G into L. Because there is negative oil, we will shift this into right hand side of the equal sign. Okay, then we know Hg of oil is rho of oil into rho of water. So we directly replace this Hg of oil into rho of water into G into Y plus L equal to rho of water into G into L. So density of water, density of water, answer cancel, G cancel. So what will remain here? Hg of oil equal to L upon Y plus L. So what is L? L is given 13.5 centimeter. So convert it into meter. 13.5 into 10 to the power minus 2. So taken as minus 2. Then Y is given 1.5 mm, 1.55 into 10 to the power minus 3 mm plus L once again 13.5 into 10 to the power minus 2. So calculate this value. You will get, what is the Hg of oil then? Hg of oil is given as, what is the value? It is calculated as 0.9. So therefore density of oil will be 0.9 into 1000. So it will be 900 kg per meter cube. Got it? So now we will move to the next question. So the next question here, a differential manometer is connected to two different pressure points as shown in figure. This is the manometer diagram is given. Find out the nearest value of PA minus PB in kilopascal is. If the manometer is given, you have to mark the reference plane. So how to mark the reference plane? We mark the reference plane where the continuous mass of same fluid is present. So mark this as a reference plane because continuous mass of same fluid, that is mercury, is present here. Okay. Here one point, notice that no point is open to atmosphere. So start from any point for writing the equation, as no point is open to atmosphere. So we will start from point B. Okay. So this is given here. So take it as height is 3 height is given h1. This will be h2 and this will be h3 for our reference purpose. Okay. We'll start from this point PB. So pressure at point B will be PB. Okay. Then from this point you are moving in the downward direction. Up to this point, this density of oil is given, present in the pipe is RD is 0.8. Relative density. It is relative density, that is specific gravity Hg. Okay. So we know density of oil will be, what is the oil? Directly we know it is specific gravity of oil into density of water. So it will be 0.8 into 1000. Density of oil will be 800 kg per meter cube. Okay, so density of oil we get. Similarly, density of mercury Hg we will get as 13.5. Our relative density is given, so multiplied by 1000, 500 kg per meter cube. Okay. Now Pb, we at this point, now here we are moving in the downward direction from this point, so it will be plus. You are moving downward, so it will be plus. Then what is the oil present is, density of oil is present, this oil, rho into G, density of oil into G into H. H will be H2. It will be H2, only this point. Okay. Now you are moving at this point. From this point, once again you are moving in the downward direction. Now the fluid is changing. The fluid is mercury. So once again it will be plus. So it will be density of Hg, rho, it is G into H3. Okay. Now you are reached at this point reference plane. Now from this reference plane, this is mercury, same fluid is present. So move in the horizontal direction directly. Once you are moving in the horizontal direction, there will be no change in the pressure. You are moving at this point. So at this point, from this point, you are moving in the upward direction up to point A. Okay. So you are moving in the upward direction, so it will be negative. So what is the fluid? Fluid is water. So it will be density of water, rho into G into what is the height? Height will be H1 plus H2 plus H3. All three heights equal to PA. Now what is you have to find out? You have to find out PA minus PB. So rho of oil, directly we will write here, into G into H2 plus rho of Hg into G into H3 plus, sorry, minus, here minus, rho of water into G into H1 plus H2 plus H3 equal to PA minus PB. Okay, you have to find out. Now put the values here directly. So density of oil is 800, 9.81. H2 will be 50 centimeter, so convert into meter, 0.5, plus Hg, density of Hg is 13500 into 9.81. H3 is 10 centimeter, so multiply it 0.1. Now minus density of water is 1000 into 9.81 into H1 plus H2 plus H3. So total will be, here height total will be, it will be 0.75 plus 0.5 plus 0.1 equal to PA minus PB. So calculate this equation. We will get PA minus PB equal to 4 into 10 to the power 3 Newton per meter square. So you have to find out, or Pascal, you have to find out kilopascal. So it will be 4 kilopascal. It will be 4 kilopascal. So answer will be 4 kilopascal. Got it? This is the differential manometer numeric. Now we will move to the next question. So the next question given here is an inverted differential manometer shown in the figure below. The differential pressure PV minus PA in terms of meter of oil of relative density 0.8 is. You have to find out the HBA, that is in meter of oil. So how to calculate? The manometer is given here. We know first we have to find out the reference plane. So reference plane where the continuous mass of same fluid is passing. So here is the reference plane. So this is the oil density is continuous. Okay, the reference plane. So no point is open to atmosphere. So start from any point. So how to start? We will start from B point. Okay, we will start. This will be H1. We will take as a reference H1, H2 and H3. 3 heights are given. Okay, so we will start this equation first. So we will start from this point B. So it will be PB. Okay, PB. Then from this point you are moving upward. Up to this point there is water. So you are moving upward. So there will be negative sign, minus rho of what, density of water, rho into G then h1 plus h2. Okay, now you are at this point now. Now from this point you are moving in the upward direction. So once again it will be minus here rho of oil into G into H3. Now you are moving at this point now. From this point you are moving horizontally because there is same fluid present. You are moving horizontally, so there will be no change in pressure. So directly move at this point. From this point you are moving in the downward direction up to point A. To point A where water is present. What is the fluid? Water. So moving downward, so it will be plus. So it will be plus rho of water into G. What is the height? Height will be now H2 plus H3. H2 plus H3. H2 plus H3 equal to PA. Equal to PA. You have to find out PB minus PA. Okay, so here now the equation once again will be PB minus PA. I will shift the PA on the left hand side of equal to sign PV minus PA. So shift all these terms on the right hand side. So it will be rho minus rho W, so it will be positive rho W into G H1 plus H2. So here minus plus rho of oil into G into H3. Here plus it will be negative rho W into G into H2 plus H3. So put all the values here. Density of water 1000 into 9.81 H1 plus H2. So it will be 0.3 plus 0.4, 0.7 plus rho of oil, density of oil. We know already relative density of oil is given is 0.8. So density of oil is directly multiplied into density of water 0.8 into 1000. So it will be 800 kg per meter cube. So density of oil is 800 into 9.81 into H3. H3 will be 0.5 minus density of water is 1000 into 9.81 into H2 plus H3. H2 plus H3, so it will be 0.5, 0.4 plus 0.5. So you calculate PB minus PA. It will be calculated as 1.962 into 10 to the power 3 Newton per meter square or Pascal. But you have to find out in terms of meter of oil. So we know it is equal to rho of oil into G into H. PB minus PA is nothing but rho of oil into G. It is the pressure H of oil. HBA also. Okay. So here I will write down how to calculate. Okay. So PB 1.962 into 10 to the power 3 Pascal is nothing but rho into G into H, where rho is the oil. So here 1.962 into 10 to the power 3. Here density of oil is 800 into G is 9.81 equal to H. So H will be found out equal to, it will be found out as 0.25 meter of oil. So answer will be 0.2 meter of oil. Okay, this is the answer. This is the correct answer. You have to find out. You have to find out the first pressure first. Then equal to rho GH. You will get the. So that's it for today. We will cover the numerical on. Manometers. विद्यार्थी मित्रांनो, तुम्हाला हा आजचा व्हिडिओ जर आवडला असेल तर आमच्या चॅनल जीके ज्ञानला अवश्य सबस्क्राईब करा. डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्समध्ये टेलिग्राम चॅनलची लिंक दिलेली आहे, तर टेलिग्राम चॅनल अवश्य जॉईन करा. थँक्यू. धन्यवाद. जय हिंद. जय महाराष्ट्र.